Welcome to the Glasgow Science Centre. Today we're using eggs and more eggs to see just how strong they are. Although eggs seem fragile, they're actually very strong. It's almost impossible to crush an egg in the palm of your hand if you apply pressure evenly. Let's see if you can stand on them. The eggs can support your weight due to their rounded shape with no corners, meaning the weight is distributed evenly across the shells. You can even walk across them. Try this at home, but make sure you ask an adult first.